Hi guys and welcome. If you want to build a landing page or website using website building platforms, this video can be handy for you because in this video I want to provide you with all information that you need to really easy and fast build your own landing page or website. Today we're going to talk about the Wix platform, and I want to show you all the editing features of this platform, this editor. And in the end of this video you're going to find out of how to make that happen by your own hands, how to combine all the things, how to move things, because everything is pretty drag and drop and everything is easy. So I want to show it to you, and I don't want to make this video like 1 hour long tutorial, because I saw all those tutorial videos in YouTube like 2 hours or 3 hours long, and somebody even sell the courses of how to build your website on the platforms. I'm not gonna waste your time, so first thing that you need to know, that you need to find the link in the description panel of this video that our team left specially for you. You're gonna be on the start page of Wix. You need to press get started or sign in, and let's go inside the platform, and now I'm gonna show you everything. That's how it looks, and when you're gonna be inside you need to press create a new site, and the platform will ask you what kind of website do you want to build, like business, online store, beauty and wellness, and so on. If you didn't found the proper category, you need to press other, of course. And there are two options. You can let Wix ADI create a website for you that will build automatically, just answering a couple questions. That's also incredible option. Or you can edit a template, and that's what we're gonna do in this video. I'll show you what's happening with all the things here inside. So here in this spot, you need to be as specific as possible. If you didn't found the proper category for your website there on the first questions from the platform, here you can sort it by like business and services, store, creative, community, blog. And if you didn't found the correct template, you can use the blank templates like minimal layout, classic layout, or definitely from scratch. You can build everything from scratch. You can use new templates are most popular. So let's go to all templates. Let's just choose, I don't know, anyone, literally anyone, and any template that just catches our eye. Which one? I don't know. This one, filmmaker. Cool. Everything is drag and drop here, and everything is pretty simple. Everything built with blocks, with the sections, or it called strips here on this platform. Similar to other website building platforms, you can manage all those, and you can move them around. You can duplicate it, copy or delete, or some. You can make some else changes, something wrong, maybe, or maybe not. Let's go to see the strips, those strips. You see all those blue boxes is like strips, and you can move them around, up or down. Let's exit this mode because it's pretty enough for that. You have mobile version, and all the things are pretty adaptable. You can see what platform gives you the opportunity to use the mobile tools. For mobile version, you see mobile tools, they're here. So before you'll go live, you need to check all the things, how it displayed in your layout, how it displayed in different types of devices. And as we have here like simple layout, I want to show you a couple interesting things. For example, you found a great template that's used to your business. You need just to like change the name maybe, and change some things, some pictures, some videos maybe, and you don't like colors. So you go to theme manager, press and change theme, and like simply hovering over the options, you see that you can get totally different website with the different colors that will be also like great looking, and everything will be just amazing. Yeah, I don't like these colors. Maybe this one. Let's use this one. Okay, it's not so visible, but it doesn't matter for the case to show you everything. Let's go to menus and pages first, and you have home, films, about, screening, events, and contact. For example, I want to delete some pages that I don't want, and they disappears from this horizontal menu. Also, on each of the pages you have the three dots button, and you can go to settings to set up all the things here, like layout standard with header and footer, or no header and footer option if you need to show the great picture maybe, or you need to show some kind of video for full screen. Here in permissions, you can give the opportunity to get to your site only for members, for password holders, or for everyone. So it's pretty nice option if you're building online school, for example, and you have people who applied membership, and you have the public place, and you have like secured place for members only. That's also great. SEO, definitely you need to be visible to search engine machines, so take care about all that before you go live. And if you want to share your link to your website to some social media like Facebook or Pinterest, that's how it will be displayed on that platforms. So you need to upload an image that will describe your website. Also, you can find page transitions here if you have a couple of pages, not on one layout but couple pages, like separate one. So you can use the horizontal, vertical, crossfader out in options. Let's go to background, and we see that right now color is the background, and we can see it because all are, no, we can see it. Here it is. Background color white. Yeah, is it lays there? No, all the strips like stretched to, let's stretch it to the page, and now you see the background color. You see there's background color, and you can change it to any color that you want, and it will be there. And you can also use a picture. Let's use this picture just to show you. No, let's use this one just to show you that when you scroll in, you see that the background is stays there like to hold. Yeah, let's stretch it to this size. Okay, just showed you. Also, if you want to add some stuff like strips, yeah, there are pre-made strips: about, contact, welcome, services, team, testimonials, and that's pretty it. That's all you need to build your own website. You're using welcome thing, like you see your brand, read more, then maybe about block, then block about the services, then block about the team if you have one, and testimonials, and that's it, and contact information to get in touch with you. And that's pretty it. You have a ready site. Or if you didn't found the template of a strip that you need, you can add some new strip here. You can stretch it, and you can add a lot of things like text with a big title. Just double click on text to see the ability of changing everything here with colors, with all the stuff that you want, all the things connected to the text. It's pretty here, and you see the center lines. So platform helps you to build everything that you want in the order that you want. And one of the most impressive things, and one of the biggest advantages of this platform from other platforms, that you can move things literally to the order that you want. So you can move it around as you want, and this is absolutely insane, because a lot of other platforms not allows you to do that. So here in this add button, you can find everything that you need actually to build your page, to build everything that you want, like menus, buttons. I want this button to be here. And as I told you, everything is totally customizable, even in that way, even in that shape. You see, it's pretty great. I believe it's pretty great. So you can build everything that you want, like paragraphs, maybe small paragraph. I want to place it here. Where's that? Okay, paragraph. Here you go. Changing the color, and you have a text here. You see, it's pretty simple. It's really simple and easy, and you can build everything that you want, even without an experience, even without an idea, and you just can customize little things. Yeah, this channel is coming soon, so you can put Wix video. You see the videos here, and this Wix video will be for full screen, or you can add like some different types of videos, maybe this YouTube player, and a lot of things you can build on this platform. Definitely. Also want to say a couple words about apps, because there are external apps that you can integrate to your website with the different types of purposes, like for marketing, for example. If you have MailChimp, yeah, if you have account on MailChimp, and you probably may know that MailChimp is one of the best email marketing solutions available on the market. This is pretty cool that you can get MailChimp forms, and all new leads will jump straight to your MailChimp account, and you'll grow your email list, and you can work with that people, and you can send them updates, and so on and so on. Like Instagram feed, you can add Instagram feed, Twitter feed if you need. So discover all those apps, because they can be really handy. And as I told you, you can make everything with this platform. You can literally build everything in seconds, and really easy. So I hope that you get an idea of how to build it by yourself, and it doesn't matter which category do you have, which category of business, I mean, which interest do you have. Like, you can build everything up from a scratch, from a ground, or from a template, literally in minutes, guys. And it's not necessary to book some, I don't know, technician or other people to build your own website. Of course, if you're building some big website with a lot of things, it will take some time, but it's much more easier and better than to spend a lot of money on people who will help you. So if you want to try to build it by yourself, definitely go to the description panel of this video, find the link, press that link, pass the registration, and start building your own website, because it's really simple. And I hope that you get this idea to your mind, that it's really easy and really fast. Thanks for watching. I hope you appreciate I appreciate that you watched this video till the end, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was really useful. So cheers, bye bye, and see you in the next video.